FPGAs, or Field-Programmable Gate Arrays, are versatile integrated circuits that can be configured post-manufacturing, distinguishing them from traditional chips designed for specific tasks. This flexibility allows engineers and hobbyists to customize hardware for a wide range of applications, from simple logic circuits to complex systems requiring high-speed data processing. The tutorial aims to illuminate the workings of FPGAs and their potential in digital design. It emphasizes the creativity they offer, enabling users to build and modify hardware with ease. The tutorial includes an in-depth exploration of FPGA architecture and key parameters, alongside a hands-on project to reinforce learning. By the conclusion, participants will have a solid understanding of FPGAs and the necessary skills to embark on their own projects, highlighting the growing importance of FPGAs in both professional and educational environments.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.